What's going on, everyone? Levi here with Fox Ridge Slabs. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I milled two black walnut logs, both about 8.5 feet long. The first one is about 14-inch diameter on the small end, 15-16 inch on the larger end. The other one, I want to say, is about 17-inch diameter. Milled these slabs at 2¼ inches thick. As far as the blue tarp goes, you guys may be wondering what's up with that. I tried to use it to catch all of the sawdust. I think the idea was good, but I was not a very good judge of where to put the log on the tarp. And so what happened is on both logs, most of the sawdust blew past where the tarp was sitting. So I was able to collect some sawdust, maybe about half of it. The other problem is the chainsaw heat melted holes in the tarp. So we're just not going to do that anymore. We're not going to put tarps down anymore. Like I said, good idea, but just not quite what I was going for. Either way, hope you enjoy this video. Stay until the end for the water pop. You're going to see the colors and the grains on these slabs very well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next video.